hello there, it's nice to see you. If you are a regular to my videos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to this video. It's so great to have you here. My name is Janie, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an update, a much needed update on what's happening behind the scenes here at MakerJayne. So let's go ahead and get right into it. A few weeks ago, I made a pre-announcement that I was going to be making a special announcement very soon, and I have yet to make that announcement. And so basically I wanted to come on and make this video and just share with you what's been going on a little bit in my personal life. There's some things that have been happening that I need to share with you, as well as what I have in store for you with MakerJayne and what's happening at MakerJayne. So first of all, I have been experiencing a lot of health challenges, actually for the past 6 or 7 years. And it's been kind of a roller coaster ride. I've had ups, I've had downs, and more recently I've had, my health really has taken a decline very rapidly. And you may be able to see that in some of my videos, just in my face and kind of how I look in some of my videos. But I have had to really slow down a lot on the MakerJayne side of things. And a few weeks ago, I had sent an email out to my list. So if you're on my list, thank you for being on my list. So you probably saw that email. And I had made a pre-announcement that I wanted to make a special announcement coming up. Well, I had something big and something exciting planned for you, but unfortunately, because of my health challenge, I am going to have to postpone that announcement. And this is the reason why, because of the health challenges that I'm experiencing. So what am I going to be doing to address these health challenges, you may be wondering? Number one, I am slowing down quite a bit on what I'm committing myself to with MakerJayne, and that announcement is one of them. So I will continue to be working on that project and bringing it to you. I just don't know exactly when I'll be able to do that, and so I wanted to kind of back off on the big announcement initially until I have a little bit more idea on when that will be. So it will be coming, I just don't know when. And my goal is to have it be coming in a few months. But again, I don't want to commit to anything. So one of the things I'll be doing for my health is backing away from more live events and live things that I wanted to do for you here on the channel, as well as just in the business in general. I had some really fun ideas planned for you, and I will be releasing those projects and those ideas, but it'll be in some time. So I'm going to be slowing down a little bit. I will continue to be making videos for you. I'm going to try to be making videos for you here every week on the YouTube channel. So you can look forward to that. I'm going to continue making free content for you. One of the reasons I want to continue doing these types of videos is because I can pre-record them. And so I don't have to be on camera live. And if there's a day that I'm not feeling well, then I can rest more on that day. And then the days that I am feeling well, like days like today, then I can, put that energy into making videos for you. So the live videos and live classes and workshops that I really want to get going, because my energy levels are really up and down all over the place, and more often than not, my energy levels are really low. And so I don't want to commit to a live that I won't be able to show up to. And I'm really not happy about having to do this, but I am learning that I have to listen to my body, and I have to care for myself. And that's something that I've really not been very good at doing, which is probably why I've gotten myself into this mess with my health. So I'm learning to take care of myself. And this is one of the ways in which I am doing that, is just not committing to certain things. So that's one way that I'm going to be caring for myself. I'm also going to be changing my diet. diet pretty drastically. Up to this point, I have been mostly vegetarian for several years, and I am going to be even more strict with my diet. I'm going to be completely vegan, and I'm switching over to a mostly 80% raw, fresh fruits and vegetables diet. After many years of research on this health journey that I've been on, I have found that that is the diet that is the most conducive to allowing the body to heal itself. And that can happen in every possible way you can imagine. The body is so powerful, I believe, and if we just eat the foods that our bodies were designed to eat, then we can actually get well. So I'll be changing my diet. I'm also going to be taking some herbal supplements to help my body to detox a lot of the toxins and to also help strengthen a lot of the organs that have become weakened. And if you'd like to learn more about my specific health challenge, which I don't want to address in the video today, or about my diet or the herbs that I'm going to be taking, then definitely leave a comment down below. I'm happy to share with anyone who's interested, but I don't want to take the time in this video to do so. So just know that if you're experiencing a health challenge, or you know someone who is, and you'd like to learn more about what it is I'm doing, I am considering sharing a little bit more about my healing journey on a different YouTube channel. I haven't made the final decision on that yet, but if you are interested in learning more, just leave a comment below, and I'll let you know if I end up setting that YouTube channel up and documenting my journey. And then I can share more information with you as well. Because of these health challenges, as I mentioned, there are going to be some changes that are going to be happening in my own personal life, of course, but also at MakerJayne. And one of those is some of the announcements that I had planned on making early this part of the year. I will have to be pushing back to the summer and maybe even fall months of this year. I'm just going to allow myself more grace and more room to just take my time, and really, that's really going to help me to develop the products and the projects that I want to make for you all. It's going to allow me to really put more focus and more energy, more focused energy into it. And I have a tendency to overload my plate. And so it's really going to help me to focus on one project and one product at a time and really do the best that I can do for you. So I have announcements to make, but I will not be making them in this video. Again, I already mentioned, I will make those announcements as I get closer to launching these projects that I am working on. So the announcement, or the pre-announcement that I made a couple weeks ago, just please be patient with me as I work behind the scenes on my health as well as on that project for you. I don't want to mention what it is yet, but just know that I've got some fun things planned for us. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, be sure to subscribe and click the bell to get notified, because I will be releasing the updates and keep you informed as to what's happening and when these new projects are going to be coming here on the channel. With that said, I do have a couple things that I do want to announce and want to share with you that you can look forward to. So the first thing I want to mention is, if you are on my email list, then you most likely already know I've been doing a website update, and I've been working on it for the past couple of weeks. It's actually been taking me a lot longer than I expected, partly because of the health challenges, but also I didn't realize that there was that much involved in, I have a pretty small website, and I didn't realize that there was that much involved in actually moving everything over. So I'm in the finishing stages of doing that, and by next week, my new website should be done, and all the links and everything, all the links will be updated. Links that are in my videos here on the channel will be updated to the new links for the new website. And I'm also going to have a new free English paper piecing pattern and project for you coming out next week. I've been working on that for the past couple of weeks along with the website build, and I'm really excited about this. It's kind of it's a great way to document not only the new year. We just had a new year, and granted we are in March now, but I still consider it kind of the fresh new part of the year. But I also love to recognize the seasonal changes. And so it's a great project that's going to kind of commemorate the beginning of the year or the beginning of a new season. And I actually celebrate the new year in the springtime. That's the biblical new year. So I'm excited about this project. I don't want to share too much about it, but just know that you can get excited about a new project, and it's going to be totally free. I'm going to have a planner for you. I'm in the process of writing a blog post that's going to kind of walk you through the process of the project. And I'm also going to be providing you with free templates that you can print and cut yourself. So you're going to basically have everything you need to make this project. And because it's going to be a quilt, it's going to be a long-term project. So it's something that you can work on throughout the year. And I will be checking in with you periodically here on the YouTube channel with that project. So if you want to follow along with me, there'll be opportunity for that as well. So I'm super excited about that, and I'm super excited about the website being almost done. So those are some things that you can look forward to. And again, remember, if you're not subscribed yet, feel free to do so and click that bell so you get notified on when I post the new videos. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I want to thank you in advance because I already know I'm going to be getting a lot of lovely comments from all of you, just encouraging me and kind of helping me along this challenge that I have with my health. It's been quite frustrating because I have so many ideas and so many things that I want to bring to you, and I just don't have the energy to do it. And I get down on myself because of that. And I know that that is not a good thing to do. And I'm learning, I'm in the process of learning to stop doing that. But, you know, old habits die hard. So I want to thank you for your comments and for your support and just for being here and being a part of the MakerJayne community. I really just love connecting with you all, whether it's through an email or a video or through the Facebook group. If you are not a part of the Facebook group yet, be sure to check out the Facebook group. I'll put a link to that down below in the description. You can connect with me in the Facebook group. You can ask any questions you might have about English paper piecing, and you can also connect with other EPPers. So there's a lovely group of English paper piecers there in that group. We can all share our experiences and share, answers to questions and share our projects and all of that fun. So be sure to check out the link in the description if you'd like to join the Facebook group. I think that's all for now. Those are all the announcements and all the points that I wanted to talk on today. So thank you again for watching this video. And until next time, keep on stitching.